The early weeks of 2025 brought a terrifying new reality to the hills and canyons of Los Angeles as wildfires erupted with unprecedented ferocity. Wildfires, fueled by drought-stricken vegetation and whipped into a frenzy by the infamous Santa Ana winds, tore through neighborhoods, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. The combination of dry conditions and powerful winds created a perfect storm for these fires to spread rapidly. As of January 15th, the situation remained dire, with multiple blazes raging across the region, showing no signs of abating. The largest, the Palisades Fire, had consumed nearly 24,000 acres, its hunger only 19% contained. Firefighters faced an uphill battle, with the fire's unpredictable behavior complicating containment efforts. The Eaton Fire, though smaller at 14,000 acres, presented its own unique challenges, with only 45% containment. Its proximity to residential areas made it particularly dangerous. These fires, visible for miles, cast an eerie orange glow across the Los Angeles skyline, a constant reminder of the battle being waged against nature's fury. The sight was both mesmerizing and terrifying. The relentless flames spared nothing in their path, consuming everything from trees to homes. Homes, businesses, and cherished landmarks were reduced to ashes, leaving behind a landscape scarred by destruction. The once vibrant communities now lay in ruins. The air, thick with smoke and the acrid smell of burning, became a hazard itself, forcing residents to don masks even within their homes. The smoke blotted out the sun, creating an almost apocalyptic atmosphere. The scale of the disaster was staggering, with over 100,000 residents displaced from their homes, seeking refuge in shelters, with friends, or in hotels outside the fire zone. The community faced an unprecedented crisis. The human cost was already tragically high, with at least 25 confirmed fatalities, a number feared to rise as search and rescue teams continued their grim work. Each life lost was a profound tragedy. The fires, though a tragic blow, also revealed the strength and resilience of the human spirit. Communities came together in ways that showcased their unity and determination. Stories of heroism emerged from the ashes, with individuals risking their lives to save others. Neighbors helping neighbors evacuate, sharing what few possessions they could carry, exemplified the spirit of solidarity. First responders, working tirelessly, risking their own lives to save others and protect property, were the true heroes of this disaster. The fires, while devastating, ignited a spirit of community and compassion, a beacon of hope amidst the devastation. The resilience and unity displayed by the people of Los Angeles were truly inspiring. The front lines of the Los Angeles wildfires were not drawn on a map, but etched in the soot-stained faces of the over 7,500 firefighters battling the inferno. These brave souls faced an unprecedented challenge, one that demanded every ounce of their strength and resolve. These brave men and women, many working grueling 24-hour shifts, faced a relentless enemy in the form of unpredictable winds, tinder-dry vegetation, and flames that seemed to defy all attempts at containment. The flames were aggressive, often burning uncontrollably, making the task of containment seem almost impossible at times. From local fire departments to crews who traveled from other states, the collective effort was monumental. Firefighters came from as far as Canada and even Mexico, showcasing international solidarity in the face of disaster. These firefighters exhibited extraordinary courage and dedication in the face of overwhelming odds, working tirelessly under immense pressure. Their work was not just physically demanding, but emotionally draining as well, with many showing signs of deep emotional exhaustion. The constant threat of the fire-jumping containment lines added to the stress, as did the sight of homes being consumed by flames. The sight of homes being consumed by flames was a heartbreaking reality they faced daily, and the knowledge that lives were at stake took a heavy toll on their spirits. Yet they persevered, driven by a deep sense of duty and a commitment to protecting their community, showing remarkable resilience. Their efforts, often hampered by difficult terrain and limited resources, were nothing short of heroic, showcasing their unwavering determination. These were not the only heroes on the fire lines. Inmate firefighters, part of a controversial but vital program, played a crucial role in battling the blazes. Working alongside civilian crews, they performed a variety of tasks, from clearing brush to battling flames on the front lines, proving their worth in this dire situation. Their contribution, often overlooked, was essential in the fight to contain the wildfires, highlighting the importance of every hand on deck. Their efforts were a testament to the power of teamwork and the human spirit in the face of adversity. The outpouring of support for the firefighters was immense, with communities rallying to provide much-needed assistance. Donations of food, water, and other essential supplies poured in from across the country, showing the nation's gratitude. Ensuring that the firefighters had what they needed to continue their brave efforts. Local businesses and residents alike opened their doors, offering free meals and a place to rest for the weary firefighters, providing a much-needed respite. This wave of support, a testament to the community's gratitude, provided a much-needed morale boost to those on the front lines, reminding them that they were not alone in this fight. The immediate aftermath of the wildfires revealed the true extent of the devastation, a scene of utter desolation and heartbreak. The official count of destroyed structures stood at a heartbreaking 5,300, with over 600 damaged, a number that only hinted at the broader impact. But the real number was likely much higher, as many areas were still inaccessible. Entire neighborhoods were reduced to ash and rubble, the air thick with the smell of smoke and the dust of shattered dreams, a haunting reminder of what was lost. For the over 100,000 residents displaced, the reality of the situation was just beginning to sink in, bringing with it a wave of uncertainty and fear. Returning home, for those fortunate enough to still have one, was a distant and uncertain prospect, fraught with challenges. Evacuation orders remained in place, with no clear timeline for their lifting, adding to the residents' anxiety. Crews worked tirelessly to extinguish hotspots, clear debris, and assess the damage, but the task was monumental, requiring immense effort and coordination. Even after the evacuation orders were eventually lifted, the challenges would be far from over, as the community faced a long road to recovery. Many homes, even those spared by the flames, would be uninhabitable due to smoke damage, lack of utilities, and the lingering threat of mudslides in the fire-scarred hills. The process of rebuilding, both physically and emotionally, would be long and arduous, testing the resilience of the affected communities. The loss of homes, businesses, and cherished possessions was compounded by the emotional toll of the disaster, leaving scars that would take years to heal. The trauma of evacuation, the uncertainty of the future, and the grief over lost lives and familiar landscapes weighed heavily on the hearts of the displaced residents. The road to recovery, though long and challenging, would be paved with the resilience of the human spirit and the unwavering support of a community united in its determination to rebuild, stronger and more connected than ever before. The devastating wildfires in Los Angeles did not discriminate, impacting everyone in their path. But for the city's large homeless population, the fires presented a unique set of challenges. Already vulnerable and living on the margins of society, this often overlooked community faced the brunt of the disaster with limited resources and support systems. With evacuation orders in place and shelters overflowing, many found themselves with nowhere to go, forced to seek refuge in parks, underpasses, and other makeshift shelters, exposed to the elements and the dangers of the fire. The official response, while commendable, struggled to keep up with the scale of the crisis. 17 homeless shelters were evacuated, and while 10 were repopulated, the capacity remained woefully inadequate. Outreach teams worked tirelessly, distributing supplies and motel vouchers, but persuading individuals accustomed to life on the streets to relocate to shelters proved challenging. The fires exposed the fragility of the safety net for the homeless, highlighting the need for more robust support systems and resources, particularly in the face of natural disasters. In the face of overwhelming chaos, communities often find unexpected strength. People come together, offering support and solace to those in need. It's in these moments of unity that we witness the best of humanity, shining through the darkest times. Unfortunately, not everyone acts with good intentions. Some see tragedy as an opportunity for exploitation. Scammers and opportunists prey on the vulnerable, adding another layer of suffering to an already dire situation. It's a stark reminder of the dual nature of human behavior. Beyond the visible destruction, the emotional and psychological toll of such disasters can be immense. Families are torn apart, and the sense of loss can be overwhelming. The unseen cost of devastation is often the hardest to heal, lingering long after the flames have been extinguished. Yet amidst the rubble, hope persists. The spirit of resilience drives communities to rebuild and recover. Los Angeles, with its indomitable will, begins the painstaking process of restoration. It's a journey of recovery, marked by determination and an unwavering belief in a brighter future.